guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making chicken passanda. Very, very highly requested. This is our version, so it's very different in other restaurants. Half a pint of base gravy, 5 to 6 pieces of chicken tikka. You can go up or down on it, up to you how many pieces you want. 2 teaspoons of our desi style spice, which is just mixed powder. 4 teaspoons of sugar. 4 tablespoons of cream, sprinkled coloured potatoes, which I haven't shown you how to make. It's not a must, but it's optional, just to make it present and look better. 4 tablespoons of our almond powder. Any of the gravy or the chicken tikka, it's in the description down below, so just click on it and I'll show you how to prep it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Guys, so we're ready to go. So we've got our almond powder. This will thicken the curry, so you can always add a little bit more after if you want. So we've got about 4 tablespoons, and then we have our cream. I think I'll put about 4 tablespoons. You could add a little bit more. And we have our chicken tikka. I'm just going to put 4, but like I said, it's optional to add more or less or whatever you guys want to have per portion. And then we've got about 4 tablespoons of sugar. For the passanda, you just need roughly 2 teaspoons of our desi style mixed powder. We're ready now to add the base gravy, and then it's going to be a case of just letting it cook. We've got 1 ladle of base gravy, so half a pint, and that will thicken up and it will absorb a little bit more. Okay guys, so now we've got all the ingredients in there. We're just going to let that cook, let the chicken go soft, and just kind of let the sauce thicken up. It's been cooking for a while now. The sauce is fairly thick. The cream and the almonds cooked in nicely. You can't see any bits of almond in there. It looks really, really nice. Smells, you can really smell it. Smelling really good. The chicken's soft. The sauce is cooked nicely. The almond and everything's cooked in. So we can now get it down. It's ready. So there we have it, guys. A chicken passanda. Smelling really nice. It's a really nice thick sauce there. This is quite similar to a masala with the almonds, but it has its own different spices. So, I mean, this is optional. So you can have a little bit of just coloured potato, fried potato on top. And it just presents a bit more, with a bit more colour. It just looks a bit better. There you have it, guys. A chicken passanda.